welcome back to my channel. It's your lady here once again, matlhohonolofatso Sebeso. If you're new to my channel, please do the right thing, show some love, subscribe, okay? On today's video, we're going to make a product review concerning the Bramley tissue oil. I've been using several tissue oils in the past. I'm not going to mention their names here. And one friend of mine said, okay, if you see that these things are not working, why not try this one? Of course, it's affordable, of which I was skeptical about it. I was like, this one, it's so cheap. It's from Pep. Would it do any difference? But regardless the fact that I was skeptical, I went on, took out my 20 bucks, got the product for myself. For the first time using it, it was after my pregnancy. You know, after giving birth, your stomach, or the stomach, if you haven't given birth, the stomach would have that black layer and the stretch marks would be there. You know, you try by all means to use many other several products to get your body back together, and some of the products that I used never really helped. So that's when somebody now introduced me to this lovely product. I started using it and I was okay and gratified with the results, because my stretch marks started fading away and that black layer was removed, like fully. Later on, I discovered that okay, I can use the product on my entire body, even on my hair. That's what I'm going to share with you in this video. Alright, on the box here, they claim that the product is a miracle beauty rescue. This trusted non-greasy blend, enriched with biochem oil and vitamin E, is a treatment for the improvement of stretch marks, scars, skin tone, and so much more. The intensive hydrating quality works wonders on very dry and aging skin. It is easily absorbed and suitable for all skin types. And for best results, massage into skin daily. Don't apply to broken skin, and in the rare event of skin irritation, discontinue to use. So they're just showing us what the product promises. And after using this product, I'm convinced that it's actually working. Believe me, that those blemishes on my skin that were there for years. As I was growing up, I used to have acne. I used to have the sores on my legs. And after using this, my legs are good now. The skin is even, you can't even tell I used to have them. So here is the thing. This product is mainly used for hydrating the body. If you have a dry skin, either having dry heels, dry hands, brittle nails, you can use this product to get rid of that. So this is your solution. I never had them, but I know people who used this and they're okay with everything now. One other thing that I like about the product is that it's so affordable. You can find it in PEP Boutique, Pep Store, and with a price of around 20 rand, if not 20, 21 or 19, around that area. So it being affordable, why don't you try it and see how it can handle your skin. As you can see, my face, it's a dry skin face, and every time after bath I apply it, and I apply my other products on top of it, and everything goes perfectly smooth for me. I used to have dark marks on my face, but currently I don't have them. As you can see, I've been using it for 6 weeks now. Like, I used it earlier, I stopped, and then I bought another bottle which is over. This one is a new one. I use it consecutive days in a period of 6 weeks, and everything is looking perfectly good. So if you are using it, be persistent and be patient to see the results after a certain time. You won't use it today and tomorrow you start seeing results. That's a fact. One other thing, we know our skin needs vitamin E, and it's so high in vitamin E. You can use it on any part of your body to supply it with moisture, to nourish it, make it look more younger, and remove those blemishes. You know, when you have some blemishes on your skin, it kind of steals your confidence somehow. You don't fully want to show it off, because sometimes you find that, okay, fine, I've got good legs, but if they have some blemishes, automatically you would want to hide them away. Okay, so do yourself a favor, get yourself this product and start using it. You will thank me later. Okay, come back and comment in the comment section after using it and finding the results that I talked about. Or if you've just used it and you know it works, please leave a comment below. Thumbs up on the video. At this point in time, I would like to give you tips on how to use this beautiful product for your skin health and your good looking strategies. I use it for exfoliating my skin. You know, there are some dead layers that will be there on your face that you need to get rid of sometime. I normally take 3 teaspoons of this oil and mix them with a spoon of the brown sugar. You don't have to wait for the sugar to dissolve. You put that spoon in there, and then you take the sugar, you mixture, you rub it on your face, you rub it through, then you wash it off with your facial soap or anything, and then you can apply the product afresh on your face to leave your skin feeling more nourished, more moisturized, and looking good. Again, I use it after shaving my armpits and my private part. I don't have beards. I do have, but I don't shave them. But you can't see them now. Okay, that's not the point. Alright. Back to business now. I use it after shaving to nourish my skin, make it feel and look smooth, to avoid having some lumps or undergrowth of hair. It actually helps a lot. So do yourself a favor. If you're a girl or a guy, you want to stay clean, go for this. You know, there are people who are dark in those areas. When you use this thing, that darkness goes away. It cleans you, it lightens that skin area. It makes your skin color look more even. One other thing, Still the same oil, the same product, but the different fragrance, that one of camphor. You can use it when you have sinuses. You pour a hot water, boiling water in a bowl, and you pour in some drops, maybe three drops, then you cover yourself. You let yourself to inhale that steam. It even helps, even if you have some headaches, they'll go away. When you have some pains, you can rub it on that painful area, and then the pain will just vanish. So when you have it, you have magic in your house. Why not get it? It can also be used for a deep hair treatment. You just apply the oil to your scalp, you massage it through, and then you leave it. The health of your hair will be so good right from the roots, and everything will go well concerning your hair. It can also be used as a hair silicone for split ends, when you have your hair and everything goes there. Again, you can use it as a makeup remover. After you have applied your makeup, you can take a cotton wool, apply the oil, and then you remove your makeup from your face. You go to bed without having taken a bath, because we know that it's not good for your skin to go to bed with your makeup on, right? It moisturizes your hands and heals. It's a cuticle nourishment. You can use it on your cracked heels, like ditlhabela. That's what they call it in my language. You use it on them, you cover it with your sock, you go do your things. Within 2 weeks, you start noticing a difference. And one other thing, you can use it on your lips to moisten them, helps them remain soft. I just used one now and I feel somehow. Again, you can use it when you go to sleep. Apply it on your eyelashes. It helps them grow, it helps them be rich, and it thickens them. If you like big lashes, not ashes, okay? If you like big lashes, apply it on your lashes. They'll look rich, they'll look good. Mine look extremely wonderful. I don't know if you can see them. Can you see them? And it also helps intensify your body hydration. So the best time to apply this product is immediately after you have taken a bath, so that it be easily absorbed to your body, because when you bath, your body opens the pores and everything can get in or be absorbed very easily. Here's how you can use it to get the best results out of it. Use it twice a day and you start seeing results, visible results, within 6 weeks. If you watched the video till the end, thank you for your time. Go do yourself a favor, get this product. It works so best even on scars. I forgot to mention that. When you have this in the house, you are a woman like me, you go around doing house chores, you find that you cut yourself with a knife. If the wound is not open, you can apply it on that wound maybe a day or 2 days after the accident has happened. then you will see that that scar is not going to be visible. I was supposed to be having quite a number of scars because I always use knives, but I don't have any. Alright, I think we are done for today.